all kinds of work going on here.
That was Bill.
That was Bill, and look at, wow, yeah, all these hoists and toolboxes, lots and lots of toolboxes. Tools and a parts department even. That's amazing. Oh, I love the custom tour bus. That's really fun.
Yeah, these are
They get a lot of...
Loretta Tours here in Santa Fe. He bought these. He just bought Clarice out, but we're working on it. This is our scan tool. This is one of our items you got to have them for all these new vehicles nowadays.
Snazzy. How much did this one cost? Oh, it's got a computer inside. Oh my goodness.
$17,000.
$17,000. Wow. A lot of projects in process.